departure American 406, 2000, climbing 4000.
Taking 406, Austin departure, radar contact, turn right direct at Lexi, climb and maintain 12000.
And for American 406, do you mind just vectoring back around to Austin, I think, or just like a box pattern, just for it work somehow?
406, yeah, you guys want to climb, you want to stay at 4? American 406, climb maintain 4000, turn right heading 090.
American 406.
Anything we can assist with?
We're okay for now, thanks. And departure American 406, we're going to need to return to Austin.
American 406, right heading 210.
Right heading 210, American 406.
American 406, everything okay? You guys declare an emergency or anything?
Declare an emergency. We have a gear indication. Our nose gear is not showing down.
American 406, just want to verify, you said your nose gear is not showing down and locked, or it's showing that it never went up?
We put our gear back down, and it's we still have a red indication on our nose gear, so we think it's down, but just to be safe, we'll declare an emergency.
American 406, roger, you're clear to the Austin Airport via heading of 210 and 4000.
All right, clear to Austin, heading 210 and 4000, American 406.
American 406, when able, can I get your souls on board and fuel remaining in minutes?
Souls on board is 71, and we have about 120 minutes of fuel, American 406.
American 406, I know it's night, but do you guys want to try a low pass for tower? Take a look.
Talk about it real quick. I'll get back to you, thanks. And approach, or departure, yeah, 406, we'll take a low pass. It'd be great if they could take a look for us.
American 406, roger, just send and maintain 2000, and you can expect a low pass from tower.
406, thanks.
And American 406, after completion of this approach, fly heading 080, climb and maintain 3000, and return this frequency.
All right, after missed 080 3000, this frequency, American 406.
American 406, right heading 260.
0 American 406.
American 406, airport, 2 o'clock, 10 miles.
American 406 inside.
American 406, clear visual approach, runway 36 right, contact tower 121.0.
All right, cleared visual 36 right, and tower 121.0, American 406. At tower American 406 on the visual 36 right.
American 406, runway 36 right, clear for the option wind call.
All right, 36 right, clear for the option, American 406.
Southwest 2494, if you could keep your eyes up on that aircraft that's going to arrive, and see if you can see his nose gear.
Roger, we'll keep an eye on. Tower Southwest 2494, we saw gear down, all gear down.
Thanks for that. And American 406, gear appears down.
Okay, American 406, thanks. We'll see you in a minute.
American 406, roger, execute those climb instructions, you can contact departure for that resequence.
American 406, thanks. And departure American 406, back with you 2 for 3.
American 406, Austin, departure, radar contact.
Thank you.
406, you guys ready to come back around for another visual?
Yes.
American 406, try heading 175.
06.
American 406, descend and maintain 2000.
2000, American 406.
406, try heading 260.
American 406.
American 406, airport, 2 o'clock, 8 miles. 406, clear visual approach, runway 36 right, contact tower 121.0.
Tower American 406, thanks. Tower American 406 on the visual 36 right. Tower American 406.
American 406, Austin Tower, runway 36 right, clear to land, wind, calm. Traffic departing midfield now is a Caravan straight out.
36 right, clear to land, American 406.
406, you get heads up, the ARC vehicles will be following you on the runway.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, we may need to bring it to a stop on the runway, I'm not sure yet.
Fine, they're going to close it after you, so no big deal.
Okay, roger, thanks.
Our command, you guys could proceed on the runway. Our command, proceed. American 406, you should remain this frequency. Our command's on this frequency. Do you have them come check anything for you?
Yeah, we'll remain on this frequency. It seems like we're good. Nose gear seems down and locked, and we got turning, so we'll go ahead and pull. Yeah, we'll go ahead and pull off the runway. We'll taxi clear.
If you can, yeah. If you can exit at golf for me, and then if you want to do golf and then join golf, hold short of golf 1 for me. That way we can keep the runway clear.
Yeah, that works. Golf and then short of golf 1, American 406.
Our command, the military aircraft is going to pull off the runway and then join taxiway golf, holding short of golf 1 if you want to follow. Our command receives pulling off the runway.
Tower American 406. We're just waiting on the gate. We'll let you know.
American 406, Roger. Can you guys can taxi, right?
Yeah, we can taxi. Everything seems normal. It's just an indication.
Roger, if you could just pull up all the way to the golf 1 thing. We only have that one runway. I got 2 heavies landing, so it gets you further north. Okay,
yeah, we'll pull up to golf 1, American 406.
American 406, you can go ahead and switch over to ground 121.9er, and they'll get you the rest of the way once you have a gate.
All right, 21.9. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Good morning.
Good morning.